Hey everyone, want to turn written text into natural-sounding speech with ElevenReader? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert text to speech step by step, from adding your content to playing it back with AI voices. Let's get started. First, open the ElevenReader app or visit the website, then sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free account before continuing. Next, add the text you want to convert into speech. Depending on the version you're using, you can either paste text directly, upload a supported document like a PDF or EPUB, or open content that's already available in your library. After your content has been added, open it to access the reading interface. Yeah, this is where ElevenReader prepares your text for AI narration. Now simply press the play button. ElevenReader will begin reading your text aloud using one of its AI voices. If multiple voices are available, you can choose the one you prefer before or during playback. To make listening more comfortable, so adjust the playback settings.
After your content,
You can usually change the reading speed, pause or resume playback, skip through sections, and switch to another available voice whenever you like. Once everything is set up, you can continue listening while reading along or simply let the AI read your content for you. You know, your saved documents will usually remain in your library, making them easy to access later. And that's how you convert text to speech with ElevenReader. I mean, it's a quick and easy way to listen to documents, articles, and other written content using AI-generated voices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.